In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write text in Excalidraw. First, open your browser and go to excalidraw.com. When the page loads, you'll see a clean open canvas. If you're not opening an existing drawing, it will look blank, and that's exactly what you want for a fresh start. To add text, the most straightforward way is to use the text tool. You can select it from the toolbar by clicking the icon that looks like a T, or simply press the T key on your keyboard to activate it instantly. With the text tool active, click once on the canvas to drop in an auto-sized text field. As soon as you see the blinking cursor, start typing. If you'd prefer a specific width for your text area, click and drag instead of a single click. Dragging creates a text box with a defined width, which is handy if you want longer sentences to wrap neatly. Another quick way to insert text is by double-clicking anywhere on the canvas. No need to pick a tool first, just double-click and begin typing. This is perfect for jotting down notes or labels on the fly without switching tools. If you already have shapes on your canvas, you can place text directly inside them. Select the shape, then either press enter or double-click inside it. A text cursor appears inside the shape so you can start typing immediately. This keeps your diagram tidy because the text is attached to the shape and stays centered as you move or resize it later. A few small tips will make this feel even smoother. Clicking once with the text tool gives you a natural auto-size label that grows as you type, while click and drag lets you control the line length to avoid overly wide text. Double-clicking is the fastest way to drop text anywhere without thinking about tools. And when you're working with shapes, remember that pressing enter or double-clicking is your shortcut to adding labels right inside them. Once your text is placed, you can keep typing to expand it or click elsewhere on the canvas when you're done. If you want to add more text, press T again or repeat the double-click method. That's all there is to it. Use the text tool and click or drag, double-click anywhere on the canvas, or add text inside a shape by pressing enter or double-clicking in it. With these options, you can write quickly and clearly in Excalidraw, no matter how you like to work.